Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A table is a structured layout of information containers arranged in vertical columns and horizontal rows. The individual containers are called cells. Cells are organized in vertical columns and horizontal rows. In this way, they then create a storage grid. People often use tables to store data, although Word can also use them to organize document elements by creating a structure for the document layout. If you intend to use a table to store data, then the table's layout and the information you choose to record within it becomes very important. To best organize a table, you should put the specific types of data to record into the columns and then place the actual entries for those columns into each row. For example, if you were creating a table that recorded employee information for each department in your company, you would make individual columns for each unique type of data to collect. So, for example, you may have columns like first name, last name, department, supervisor, and so forth. You then create a new row for each entry to record, in this case each person, filling in each column with the record's information. So continuing the previous example, a row could look like this: John, Smith, Marketing, Jane Doe Vice President, and so forth. Each row in a table is also often called a record. The terms row and record are practically interchangeable when discussing tables.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.